loves, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry cookie that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the ingredients we're going to need. 1 egg at room temperature, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of strawberry extract, half a cup of strawberry Nesquik, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm adding all the dry ingredients into my bowl. The 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pinch of salt, half a cup of the strawberry Nesquik. We're going to incorporate it really good before we add the wet ingredients. The butter, I took it to the microwave for a couple seconds until it dissolved completely. Make sure that it's not hot before you add your room temperature egg. So I'm going to add the egg here. I am going to add the strawberry extract color and flavor. And of course, right into the same little bowl, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract just to take all those amazing flavors of the strawberry. And now I am ready to incorporate. I'm going to incorporate with the spatula, and then I am going to use my hands to incorporate everything really good. It looks kind of dry, but believe me, once you start mixing it with your hands, it's going to come together. A big ball of dough. Just make sure your hands are nice and clean, and then you're ready to start kneading until everything is combined completely. It's going to be a little sticky. It's okay. Continue mixing, and you are going to notice that you're going to start creating a ball. Make sure that you really clean the sides of your bowl with the dough that's in the center. Don't worry if it sticks to your fingers. That's okay. Continue kneading. And you're going to notice that you're going to create a big ball of dough. Look at this. It's okay. These cookies come out crispy from the outside and nice and chewy from the inside. And the flavor of the strawberry, well, let me tell you, just perfection made at home. If you have one of these ice cream scoopers, really small one, you could use it, or you could even just eyeball it and use your hands and make those little balls. This is what takes much longer. Making the little balls, they all have to be almost the same size so that they cook at the same temperature. We're going to preheat our oven 350 Fahrenheit, and they're going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. Every oven is different, but 15 minutes is the ideal temperature so that they come out crispy from the outside and nice and chewy from the inside. And here I am completely done. I am ready to put them in the oven, and I'll see you back in 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, what are we going to do? We're going to drizzle some of the strawberry Nesquik, sift right on the top, especially now that they are nice and hot. You really want to sprinkle the top with this so that it sticks to the cookie. If you do when the cookies are cold, they're not going to stick on the top. So you just want to make sure that the strawberry Nesquik sticks to the top, and then you're ready to start enjoying them. With the little spatula, remove them from the bottom of your baking dish because they're going to be kind of sticky. That's okay. They're still nice and hot. Look at this. They're still nice and hot. Let them rest for a couple minutes before you remove them. They taste amazing. After about 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and release them from the baking dish so they don't continue cooking. Look at this. I'm just going to release them from the bottom because they're going to be kind of sticky. Do this while they're still kind of warm so they don't stick to each other. And okay, I am ready to add it to the presentation plate and show you how beautiful they look, and the taste and the aroma of the strawberry so penetrated into the cookie. Oh my gosh. And let me tell you, the Nesquik really gives this cookies such a delicious and chewy flavor. I know that once you make them, you're going to fall in love with them. Like I said, these are perfect for the holidays, perfect when you have family over and you want to enjoy a delicious tea or a delicious coffee, you name it. Make these amazing cookies. They're going to be so delicious. Your family is really going to enjoy them. So here, let me show you how they look from the inside now that they are cold. Let me show you. They're still crispy from the outside, but from the center, they are really chewy and delicious. And the flavor of the strawberry, just amazing. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing strawberry cookies. I am sure you're going to love them. They are perfect for this cold weather. But let's see how they came out. They're really crispy from the outside, and from the center, they are very chewy. Just perfection made at home. Mmm. And the flavor of the strawberry, amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.